first log that I got was a little bit larger than I asked him for. It had to be at least 7 feet and long, and you'll see in just a bit it's about 25 inches thick for diameter. I was gonna pull it off of my trailer using the old tree stump there, but I couldn't even get my truck to move once I had it set into that area right there. The ground was really wet from the hurricane or tropical storm, whatever you want to call it, came through.
See, this is going to be impossible. Be careful.
After about 4 or 5 tries on trying to get this thing off or push it off or pull it off or whatever, I got the better idea. I'm just going to cut it in half and put it off of the trailer right there. This was okay because I was going to cut this thing in half anyways, but it did take a little bit of a finagling to get this thing cut because it was awkward being inside the trailer. I kept having to stop cutting, maneuver the log, and then cut, and then stop cutting, then maneuver the log, and then cut. I got the first part of the log off. It's just off to the left-hand side, off camera. Then I started moving this one. I was just trying to maneuver it so I could start rolling it off of the trailer. I was going to leave it there until I started processing these into blanks. These logs were fairly heavy, and I finally got them off, and here's a picture of both of them once they got off. The next couple of pictures are going to show you the diameter of the log, so you'll see they weren't small logs. So,
All right, these are probably going to sit out here for a while until I can start cutting them up. I got to get a blade sharpening and all that. I'm going to go ahead and put some of this anchor seal on here. So. All right, out of this hole, I got these 2 logs. One I've already pushed off of the trailer. The other one's right here. And I still got to seal the ends of these, but check this out. That limb right there looks like it's got a little bit of rot in it. So I'm not sure. Once we cut into this and plank it out, we'll know better, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to seal the ends of this. You don't need to see it, you just saw it over there. So until I start planking this out, see you in a bit. Move it all on that. That thing's too heavy. I'm not gonna be able to get off.